Double homicide on Maxfield Avenue. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two men were shot and taken out on Garden Lane of Maxfield Avenue late Thursday. Reports are that at around 6:30 p.m., several explosions were heard and the police were called. On the arrival of the police discovered two individuals suffering from what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. The police source theorized that the men were taken to the area and later shot by gunmen and then left the community. A strong police presence is now in the area, and a team from the MID is processing the scene.
Yesterday, somewhere around 6:50 p.m., we had a patrol in the Rosetown area. When they reportedly heard gunshot explosions, they checked the area and found two men with what appeared to be gunshot wounds along Garden Lane. It is theorized, based on information received, that the men were actually taken there in a car. Explosions were heard, and the two men were later found suffering from gunshot wounds. And the car actually sped away from the area, based on the reports we are having. The two men remain unidentified up to this point, but we are getting information that they may have been from the Lionel Town area of Clarendon, and early information is suggesting that they were there in regards to some illegal activities which went awry.
That was Michael Phillips from the Western Kingston Police Division. However, the identities of those taken out has not yet been ascertained. However, we'll try to provide an updated report to come in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.